Hi guys, today we will make our main dish. We will cook the pork ribs. Here it is. We will defrost it, wash, and then pan fry, brown each side. And let's prepare our sauce. Our sauce will be this. This is 1 tablespoon. So our sauce will be 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cooking sake, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We will mix together. And our radish. This will be our radish. Oops. We will boil it and get rid of the water and set aside. And this will be our dashi. This is 400 ml water for our pork stew. And let's start cooking. So there's no red chili pepper, so I use this chili paste, ginger and garlic, and some spring onion. This would be fine. We will fry them. Okay, our radish is boiled already. It's soft, so let's take it out. There it is. And we will put at our ingredients. Let's start cooking. Okay guys, our pork, we dry them and add some peppercorns and some sea salt. Now our pan is hot. Let's put a little bit of olive oil, and we will brown its sides. Small fire para hindi tayo matalsikan. Very good. Yan. Let's get started. Turn it around. Come on. Okay. Now we will put them in the corner and adjust the heat. Add a small oil. And let's fry our ginger and garlic. Let's brown them. Okay, let's mix them together. And our chili. Let's put a small fire again. And let's put our dashi. Adjust the fire and let it boil. Very easy. And let's stew it for 45 minutes, medium heat. then let's add our sauce. Yay! Oh, before we stew, we will add the radish. I almost forgot. And let's cover it.